ਦੁਨੀਆ ਉੱਤੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਹੀ ਸੰਸਾਰ ਲਈ ਸਤਿਗੁਰੂ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਉੱਤੇ ਕੇਵਲ ਪਰਉਪਕਾਰ ਲਈ। Saints, Sadhguru Mataji, along with Nirankari Rajpita ji, is spreading this message of God knowledge and love to all mankind. Saints, in this world today, we have become so immersed in worldly pleasures that we have lost the sense of sukoon. Saints, we are becoming so attached to this materialistic world, this world which is full of instability. Saints, where we talk about this worldly pleasures, this materialism, and we are forgetting what sukoon is. We are finding it in different places. We are finding it outside and everywhere else, but not looking inside us. Saints, whenever there is any up and down in our life, whenever things don't go as per our plans, there are times when we plan things for ourselves, such as we might have thought that we need to complete a certain degree at a certain age, or we want a specific salary package we always have dreamed of. But when we are unable to achieve that in our life, we lose our peace of mind. But Saints, Sadhguru Mataji is always holding our hand and putting us on this path of sukoon to get connected with this Nirankar. This world is talking about how to be mindful, to be present in the present moment, not being immersed in our past or contemplating about our future, but being present in the present moment. But Saints, Sadhguru is teaching us to connect to this Nirankar Almighty, which is permanent, which is stable, to bring that sukoon. Saints, when we see all around us, we see that how we are being focused on the packaging and not focusing on the real product. Saints, when we use a mineral water bottle, we take care of that water bottle till the time the precious water is in it. But Saints, as we consume that water and that bottle is no more of any importance to us, we throw it away or we crush it. Similarly, we are blessed with this human birth, this human body, but the true value is of the soul. That is the real product, which is very, very precious. Sadhguru Mataji has even exemplified in one of her discourses that once an artist wanted to sketch an innocence. He kept on searching for innocence, and he found it in a small young boy whose face was full of innocence. He sketched that boy. Few years passed, and now he wanted to sketch a monstrous face. He thought, where will he be able to find such a face? He thought, what's a better place to find such face in a jail. He goes to a jail. He starts his search. And to his surprise, a young boy comes to him and says that, "You sketched me 20 years back." He gets surprised that how the same boy who was full of innocence is here in jail. Saints, what is permanent? Nothing is permanent in this world. Sadhguru is teaching us that how our focus should be in what is inside, the soul. Sadhguru is connecting us with each other. Sadhguru is guiding us to love each other beyond our physical selves. Saints, this year, Sadhguru has blessed us with theme of Vistar, this year's theme of Samagam. Saints, when we talk about Vistar, it is not in terms of physicality. Maybe we should not get confused that Sadhguru wants us to travel the world, go beyond the physical borders, or vastness in respect of monetary pleasures. Sadhguru wants us to get connected to this Nirankar, this permanent Nirankar. Just as this ocean, there is a lot of instability inside the ocean, but just because it is vast, we can feel that stillness of the ocean. Saints, just like Sadhguru Baba Hardev Singh Ji Maharaj has also mentioned in his discourse that the border is not where nations separate. A border is where the nations meet. The ideology of world without walls, of this Vistar. Saints, Sadhguru wants us to go beyond our perspectives, not being limited to our thoughts, the thoughts of self, being limited to my own self, my own thoughts and emotions. Sadhguru wants us not to be judgmental, but Vistar in acceptance. Saints, Vistar in terms of my gratitude. We are blessed with this breath. Each breath is her divine blessing, her grace. What else can I be thankful of? Even the breath which I am taking, my life, is her blessing. Vistar in my gratitude. Vistar in my faith, in my belief, in Seva, Simran and Satsang. Vistar Saints, this Vistar in my perspective, in my acceptance, is what Sadhguru wants from us. Vistar in love, but not be immersed in moh, this inbound attachment. Love is God. Saints, Huzur, please bless us that we become what you want us to become. And may we value you and take this love from you always. Seeking forgiveness. Saints, save with love, Dhan Nirankar ji.